Hi, welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset your WordPress website. If you have a website just like this one, you must make sure that anytime you are doing something on your website, you can do mistake. So in this video, I'm going to basically show to you how you can reset your WordPress website to how it was before. Also, if you have WordPress is exactly where you might be thinking to install theme, install different plugins on your website. You have to play around with your website. So if you have mistakenly done something wrong with your website, you can revert back to the way it was before. And this is what I'm going to show you in this video today. I'm going to show you two different steps. Number one is how to do it via cPanel, and the second one is how to do it using plugin. So if you don't know how to navigate cPanel, then the second one, which is the use of a plugin, can help you know how you can reset your WordPress website to the way it was before. So by doing this thing, you don't need to run your website anymore. So let's get started. So your website can look like this. This is the website that we are going to revert. Let me go visit site. So what we are going to do, this is it. This is how it is for now. You can see it has mega menu items and different mega menus. It has this is the company logo, fast notes, and this is how our website looks. It has footer, it has social media platforms, icon, it has a WhatsApp chat button, everything it has. So as I'm going to reset it now, it is not going to have anything again. First of all, what I'm going to do is log into our cPanel. I've logged into our cPanel already. So we are going to the domain, because if you can see this domain, it is learn.fastnowas.com. So what I'm going to basically do is navigate down to the domain. This is the domains. I'm going to click domain, and these are the domains that we have on our cPanel: domain.fastnowas.com, learn.fastnowas.com, and this is the one that we are seeing. So if you click this manage, you can remove it, you can do anything with it, you can redirect it. To what you are going to do is go back to our WordPress manager here by clicking this WordPress manager by subtaculous, and you can see all these domains that we have. This is the domain fastnowas.com, daniel@fastnowas.com. This is the one I want us to reset. This is it, learn.fastnowas.com. And if you click this hamburger button, you will see different options. You can reset it. So security measures, clones, tagging, restore. If you restore it back up. That needs to restore it. To remove that is remove this installation from subtaculous record. You're not going to do that. You can even disable the search engine visibility from here. That is it. If you say remove, it will remove, and if you still uninstall WordPress from it, it will uninstall everything. So if you click this restore, it will restore WordPress from it. This is how to do that by logging to your cPanel. No need to install any plugin here. But if you go to here, let's go to the second method on how you can reset your WordPress website by using plugin. Let's go to the admin dashboard, and you click plugin here. Plugin, admin plugin. What I'm going to basically do now is to search for WP reset. That is WordPress reset, and click enter. And these are the plugins that are meant for resetting WordPress websites. Most advanced WordPress reset tool. You can see this is the one we are going to install. We are going to restore. They updated it 5 days ago, and I'm going to click install now. The plugin is installed, and after we install it, when we are using it, it will help us to reset our WordPress website to the how it was before. So click activate to activate it. Now the plugin was being successfully installed and updated. So I'm going to go to the tools section on our website, and you can see it has added new menu here, WP reset. So click this WP reset. That menu was created by this WordPress reset plugin that I just installed. So we are going to, let's wait for the network to load. So this is it. We have reset tools, snapshot, collections, different things. So what I'm going to basically do now is we are going to always make a backup first, or use snapshot. We are going to back it up first before we proceed. So by doing that, we click create snapshots. So I'm going to type before resetting the site, like snapshot or backup, and I'll click create snapshot so that you can have the backup. This is it has been done. So what I'm going to basically do now is type reset in the configuration field to confirm the reset, and click the reset WordPress button. So I'm going to type reset here and click reset site. Are you sure you want to reset the site? Yes, I want to reset it. So by clicking reset WordPress, it will reset the site to the default values. All the plugins, some plugins will remain, but the theme will be deleted. So let's go to do that by clicking restore reset WordPress. Setting is in progress. See, it has been deleted. All the plugins that are here before are not here again. So let's go to look at the site itself now after resetting it. The commitment to innovation, and you can see this is the normal WordPress theme. So our former theme was deleted, and all the menus that are here before were not here again. So it has been done, and let me show you the reason why some people want to reset their WordPress website. So resetting WordPress website shows that nothing will be on it. Some people purposely want to reset it because they don't want anything to be on it, including posts, page, comments, plugins, theme, etc. Everything they want to delete it and start from scratch. Another one is note that you will lose everything on your website, including your plugin, your theme, your design, your post, your page, your comments, and many more. You will lose everything. So there are many thousands of reasons why one find resetting WordPress website necessary. Some of the reasons are your website has developed a critical problem which you can't solve. Many people have known your WordPress website. You want to start everything with your website from scratch. So these are the three main reasons. In fact, there are thousands of reasons why many people want to reset their WordPress website. First of all is their website has developed some problem which they can't solve. Secondly, they have given their password to many people, to many web designers to help them design their website. And thirdly, they want to start everything from scratch. There may be many reasons. Another thing that keep in mind is that when you have reset your WordPress website, your plugins, your themes, your design, your posts, your pages, comments, everything on your website will be lost. So there are two ways to reset your WordPress website, as we have said in the earlier part of this video, through plugin and through cPanel. So I hope I have shown you these two methods. So make sure that you back up your website before you start. before you start resetting your WordPress website, make sure you have backed it up before you start. You can use a backup plugin. For more information, check the description of this video. I'll put the link to a video on how to make a backup of your website step by step in the description of this video. So you can back up your website via cPanel or installing plugin. This is a backup video on this channel. Please check the description of this video, you know more. The plugin for resetting WordPress website can also help you back up your website, but it is not necessary. Like we have just done in this video, they'll say restore or that something. You did it to back it up, but it's not necessary, but it's not recommended. You have to use normal backup plugin like Updraft Plus to back up your WordPress website. That one is very recommended. So remember to subscribe to this channel, like us on Facebook, and subscribe to our website newsletter for more information about web design and digital marketing if you find this video helpful. So let us go back to know more about this video, what we are doing before we left. And this is that website. Let's go and try to back up our website using the conventional method of this plugin as I just used. So I'm going to click plugin, and the plugins that are here have deactivated. You can see they have deactivated because of this WordPress reset password that we are using. So I'm going to open WordPress reset tools. I'll click it. So I'm going to try to back it up. We have a snapshot already. To reactivate it, you need to use their pro plan. So type reset in the confirmation field, you can find a reset and then click the reset WordPress, and there is no undo. So before you can use the snapshot, you have to upgrade to their pro plan. With your comments.